Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Saturday, and I hope you're all having a great weekend. Well, welcome to my October Saturday stitching, and the theme is autumn this month. So I am going to be starting this one. It is the 4 Seasons in the Forest. This is autumn. I think we started spring and maybe winter. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But anyway, today we're going to be working down here in these, I'm thinking they're mushrooms. And the color today is 3821. It's kind of a bright yellowish gold, if you will. It doesn't look like a true yellow. It's more of a gold color. So, yeah, thought we'd work right there. I'm trying to, hold please. All right, I had to find my thimble, and now I can bring you down, hopefully, so you can see there what is going on. Yeah, had a lovely day yesterday. We had breakfast, and then we came back, and we had to stop at the grocery store because I needed to pick up a few things, and just sat around. We did take a nap there for, an hour and a half, something like that. And about 2 we left and went down to the town where the hot springs are. We went to a couple antique stores there. And then we went to the hot springs, and then we went to dinner at one of our favorite restaurants down there that's right along the river. And then we had to stop at Walmart because I needed to get some things there. So we made it a well-rounded trip, and I don't think we got back till maybe 7:30. Holy cow, it was a day. We were both wore out. So today we get to work on the plumbing. Isn't that exciting as hell? I am telling you, we do some exciting stuff here. But we need to get that fixed, and I've got a shelf I need to have put up. So fun times there, but we have to go to the restore. Let's see if we can find some pieces and parts there. And we're going to try to get to, what do you call it? The thrift store here in town. So, yay. But we were just plumb wore out. I'm still a little bit wore out, so I said we are not going anywhere that we don't have to go. But it was just a lovely time yesterday. Good food, good company, hot springs to help us all relax. It was awesome. So, is anybody doing anything fun and spectacular this weekend? Hope you get to go out and enjoy some of that weather before it really begins to be winter. And heck, you might still be having spring where you're at. Summer where you're at. It did clear off. We had a little bit more snow up on the mountains, but it was kind of chilly in the morning, which it has been, and a little rainy here and there, but for the most part it cleared up. The sun came out, and it was awesome. We watched Paul Dark until we both about fell asleep. After a while, it just becomes blah, 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 blah. You just can't comprehend what you're listening to, so we cut it short. We got through season 1 and the first couple of episodes of season 2. So, trying to hang on to this thing. It's kind of long and skinny. I did try to pick a color that had a lot of symbols to be stitched. So hopefully you can see what I have done. And I was going to pick that green symbol there, but it's 3865, which is a white. And everything else seems kind of like a highlight, or there's only like 5 or 6 symbols, so yeah, that didn't work. Oh, and if you're wondering what the theme is going to be for November, if you have any suggestions, I don't have a thing that's Thanksgiving. I mean, I don't anything that's particularly Thanksgiving. So, if you've all got any suggestions, comment below on what we can do in November. I can't even remember what we did last year. So, but let me know what your thoughts are. And then we'll make a decision somewhere this week. Because next weekend, we change the clocks back. Can you believe that? It's just too much. Some days. Not next week. Next weekend is the 1st, so we will see. I thought we'd start down here in this corner and work our way up. But you can see it's not too dark of a yellow gold, if you will. It's kind of a light yellow gold. Okay, you. And I got my little owl today because I figured there'd be owls in the forest, right? Let's go up here a bit. I didn't crunch it down too terribly much. I did work on the hairpins yesterday while we were watching Poldark. I finished that last section we'd all been working on. The one with the purple and, I can't remember, purple and then that 902. Yeah, that's that brick red color. So I got that section done, and I started stitching on the next section up, and it's going to be more purple. So, more the same purple that we worked with down in that skirt. But that section's like 8-10 inches long, something like that. Yeah, it'll take us a hot moment to get through that. I did stitch on that, and I stitched a bit on the teacups yesterday, so about got that one, we'll call it the first one of the teacups done. So that's going along really well. I think I've got, oh, we'll call it 3 or 4 because I can't remember how many more symbols I have to do, but they're nominal. There's very few. I've got the big parts done. I'm just kind of filling in the extra spaces. Oh, for pity's sake. So, didn't find a bunch of stuff while we were out. I did see a vase I liked. It was $50, but it was huge. It was probably close to 1.5 feet tall. I don't know where I would have put it. And heavy. They wanted it $50 for that. I went, I don't think so. Not today. Because truthfully, I had no place to put it. But it was gorgeous. I picked up some blackberry jam. Or I think it's preserves, actually. I love blackberry preserves. I like it on Ritz crackers with cream cheese. Oh, it is yum. I also like it on toast, too, but that's my favorite way to eat it, is on the crackers with the cream cheese. That end on that needle is kind of giving me a little bit of fits for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't crunch this section. Trying to stay into frame. These little ones, they're just kind of hard to do that sometimes. Keep wanting to pull it either forward or push it this way to compensate. Seriously, quit it. I don't think it's broke. Not when I keep looking at it. It doesn't look broke. Really? You're just going to be a pain. So what is everybody else working on, or did I ask you that? I hope you're working on something fun. Something exciting, different, new. Anybody trying out any new crafts that they've never tried before? Life's too short. You gotta learn how to do everything, right? Not everything, just what appeals to you. I don't think I'm gonna get much quilting done this weekend, or applique type stuff. I did have the Sashiko out there for a hot minute, and then I just couldn't figure out. I'm working on the one that's multicolored. I couldn't figure out what color I wanted to make, work with next. So, yeah. So I thought I'd put it away before I messed it up. Although there's no messing it up. I just couldn't make a decision. That kind of stuff happens all the time with me. I wanted to do something multicolored. because the last, what, 2 or 3 that I've done in a single color. And then I kind of wanted to start one of the, we'll call them patterns, but didn't know which one I would start there, so, and that would mean I'd have to prep the material, so yeah, that didn't happen. I went right to the hairpin ladies because it's easy to work on. So I made a little bit of progress there. It's not like you're going to make a whole bunch of progress, but I did what I could. Almost pulled that thread right out of that needle. Okay, let's lose this a minute. This is a tight one. Holy cow. That over there, it must not have been used too much. See, it's starting to stick to the thread once I get way down there towards the end of the threads. So I have to get rid of it or else it just sticks to the thread. It works fine up to that point, but... And this only happens on the 14 count, not the 11 count. I don't have too much problem there. Maybe because you're making bigger stitches. I got nothing. Okay, let me just get that. Let me just find a home for that a second. I'll show you on the back what we... Oh. Get you down there so you can see. So it's moving around, but that light green symbol is 3865, I'm pretty sure. So it's more of a highlight color, but all the colors that might be darker are just few and far between, so we'll have to see. Maybe I can work on this a little bit today. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.